Dham and Lanka Property Web, thank you very much for the 10th edition of Lanka Property Show, the pristine real estate show in the country. And Fairway, we are extremely honored to be here. Thank you very much. I would like to take you back in the memory of Fairway's last 2 decades of excellence in the vertical space. Fairway started its journey in 2004, shaping the Budgam Rajagiri area skyline with first project Fairway on the waterfront and Fairway Urban Oasis, Sky Gardens and Fairway Elements are truly remarkable giant properties that's shaping the Budgam Rajagiri area. Fairway took a bold decision in moving to the southern part, and Fairway Galle came up in 2018. And our last project, Fairway Urban Homes in Koswatta, made 1,000 apartments in total within the 6 projects that we have completed over the last 2 decades. And we are honored to say that we have handed over the legal ownership of all these apartments, and we've completed that over the last couple of years. This is just to give a brief as to how Fairway properties have appreciated in its price from the launch period over the last couple of years. I've taken the last 4 projects that we have completed. If you see Sky Gardens, which completed in 2015, from a starting price point of 36 million for a 3-bed, had moved to 85 million. Similarly, Fairway Galle, 148% growth in real estate appreciation. Fairway Elements, one of our iconic vertical towers, is now going at 95 to 120 million an apartment. And even Fairway Urban Homes, started at 18 million, is now going around 43. So this slide demonstrates the real estate that Fairway built has real estate appreciation, and we look forward to delivering that in the 7th project, which we are here to present today. Our 7th luxury apartment, the first ever apartment that we are building in Colombo 5. The address of Fairway Latitude will go as number 7, High Level Road, Colombo 5, sitting in 2 minutes walk where the baseline and the high level gets connected. A location that defines a true living experience for hustling, bustling lifestyle of today's real high net worth clientele. So this map, although it's very cluttered, right, I'm sure our sales team will take you through, but it gives a snapshot of everyday's lifestyle that a person needs, gets captured based on the location Fairway is situated. Whether it's from hospitals to schools to shopping malls to anything and everything is a couple of minutes away from where Fairway Latitude will stand. Fairway always believes in amenities that are important for a person's lifestyle. Not too much, but what is required. So this project will have all the necessary amenities, rooftop pool, cantilevered clubhouse, and supermarket space, everything that is required for day-to-day living. This is a typical layout of a floor. In each floor, there will be 8 apartments, 3 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms. And when you see, it will stand tall in 2 towers. Onto your right-hand side, what you see as 2-3 bedrooms are more private kind of apartments where you move away from the main tower through a corridor, and there are many options that you can work in terms of combining these apartments. Especially the 2 apartments here can be a 4-bedroom massive apartment that comes to about 3,000 square area. So this is a typical layout as to how the apartment will look like. Fairway, one of the reasons the prices of the real estate to appreciate is something that we call Fairway Advantage. From the design thinking onwards for ensuring the customers get the best of their living, Fairway starts with straight line architecture, thinking through how every inch, every square area can be put to use. The materials that Fairway always uses are all sustainable. For an example, we always use UPVC. When it comes to glass, it will be always double glazed glass, and we use engineered timber. So in Fairway, all the projects, the material to the brands that we use are always of high standard. So this gives a glimpse of what Fairway Latitude will offer to our customers. We've obtained all the necessary approvals. It is a freehold title land, and we started construction in January again, and the construction is ongoing, and we are extremely honored to invite all of you to come and experience Fairway Latitude. Why now, and why invest in Fairway Latitude? The first slide where I showcased the 6 projects, I've demonstrated the price appreciation in the projects that we have done, the past 6 projects. So Fairway Latitude, we are assured that we'll be able to get a 15% annual real estate growth and the rental yields of 6 to 8%. As I mentioned, Colombo 5 is a very residential, highly residential. There are demographics of all types of people, and there's a high rental opportunity for the homeowners as well. Fairway Latitude will come together with these project partners and consultants. The developer will be Fairway Latitude, a fully owned company of Fairway Holdings. Architect, Mr. Indika Samarasinghe. Structural engineer, Mr. Senaka Wanigaratna. Turnkey MEP partner, Kent Engineering. The superstructure will be done by Aditya Lanka. Finishing contractors, again, Fairway Holdings Company, Centrepoint Homes, and Chatham Construction and Consultancy. And we've onboarded Professor Chitra Vedikara and her team, QServe, to manage the entire project for Fairway. In terms of completion, this will be the first ever project that people will get to live, because this will take only 2 years in terms of completion, because we have done one third of the construction. So in Colombo 5, we are confident that most will come on board to experience Fairway Latitude and live in another 2 years' time, where 2028 is what we are looking at handing over. So the first Colombo 5 development ready to move in by then. Once again, thank you very much for Lanka Property Web and the entire team. And I wish everybody who's participating here all the very best. And thank you very much.